Nega breaking.
Lightning breaking.
Wow. Ay, ba't di nagsalita si number 5?
Di
Demote.
nagsalita! Demote na si
Demotion.
Max!
Demotion.
Demotion si Max! Uy, ba't may nagtatap ka dito, putik? Uy, sino yan? Sino yung
And
top
smoke
gun
off.
sa harap ko?
Si Max, salata.
Uy, sino to?
Max
Sino?
talaga eh, demote na, putik. Nag-top gun sa harap.
Alright, slowing down. 15%.
Nag-inverted pa, putik.
Gears down.
Nag-inverted si Kuya.
Easing a little more power back. Speed check 11%, 180.
Sino yung
Oh
nagpapauli?
shit, land!
Ay, sorry.
Ginagawa mo ka land!
And adding a little more push.
Ano ba yung speed natin?
Stalling. Stalling. Stalling.
11%, 180.
Stalling.
Ayos.
Ayos.
Stalling.
Dapat
Ayos ng
makasunod-sunod
lane yan.
yan.
Stalling.
1 will land, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Stalling. Stalling.
And
Stalling.
boss.
Stalling.
Touching down.
Retard.
Max, kung dito,
Oh, dito,
kung hindi yan butter, tanggal ka na talaga.
Tanggal na yan talaga.
Stall. Stalling. Stalling.
Retard,
Stalling.
retard.
Stalling. Stalling.
Sige, butter, game.
Terrain.
5% taxi.
Terrain.
5%
Oh,
taxi.
Pull up. Pull up. Terrain. Terrain. Pull up. Cargo Max, butter ba yan? Ha?
Yeah.
Max demotion, community service, life sentence, at saka dishonorable discharge.
Holy
nagbanggaan pa, destruction of military property.
Na-speed
Max yan,
naman.
Max.
Epal yung W eh, epal eh.
Break. Setting a little more break.
O, tinab yung jet ni Colstein. Attempted murder na rin.
Tawag nyo ng MP. Labas na yan sa airfield.
Wala, terrorism na yan. Inano niya yung mga aircraft.
Terrorism na.
Hijack na yan.
NBI, nandyan na. Nandyan na sa labas ng airfield. Waiting for you.
Maximum whiz. Whiz.
Whiz.
Discharged.
Whiz.
For terrorism.
Ako na maglilista po.
Failure to
Disrespect
yield
terrorism.
to stop
officers.
Attempted murder.
reckless driving.
Reckless driving resulting into what I forgot what it's called. Reckless driving.
And then reckless flying.
While under
Reckless
the
flying
influence.
resulting to imprudence. Tsaka illegal
Well, under the
flying, walang
influence of
license.
alcohol.
Oh, tsaka walang license. Wala nang license sa FRA.
Runway rage.
Tsaka nag-shabu pa bago lumipad.
Runway rage.
Ay, nako.
Shabu pa bago lumipad, putik.
Failure to put all 3 wheels on ground.